Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast. It's me and Dana here. Happy Saturday, Dana. Another weekend. Yay. It's a long weekend this weekend. You know why? It's Monday.
Oh.
What's over? Monday's a holiday, man. Not for us. We have to work all the time, sadly.
Correct.
Me and Dana work. Even when Dana's on holiday, he's still working.
Correct.
But I have things for him to do, and he's always doing. But those of you who have a long weekend, do enjoy your long weekend. And those of you who are unfortunately like me and Dana here, sorry. It's a work weekend. So anyway, without wasting any further much time, before we get into the weekend and the Saturday, me and Dana have some serious conversation to have. Because a lot of you have been worried. And Dana has been worried too. Because Dana is an investor too, believe it or not. And he's been investing. And he's been having some sleepless nights off late. And without letting the cat out of the bag, I let Dana spill the beans. There you go, Dana. I've set you up.
Yes, sir. Today's topic is about Tata Motors, sir. So
why am I not surprised? Okay.
We was also not surprised.
Yeah, they would have seen the thumbnail. They would have seen it and they would have clicked it happily. So what?
Okay.
Tell me.
Yeah, sir. So today I come with the UBS report, sir. So first of all, we can analyze the report and then I tell to the sir and then sir will clear with the clarity. So first of all, I read out the report, sir. So they can understand what is the report tells. First of all, UBS is a global brokerage firm, sir.
Correct.
So the report says luxury cars sales dropped. Exactly JLR they are mentioning. Luxury car sales.
Jaguar Land Rover.
Land Rover.
Owned by Tatas.
Yes, sir. So that sales was dropped. And then the semiconductor shortage, sir, that boosted the price, sir.
Okay, it's
From the
become
average.
more expensive. So to buy semiconductors for your car is going to become more expensive.
Yes, sir.
So input cost is going up.
And then what the percentage it was grown up is, in financial year 2020, 26% it was grown up.
Okay, from 2020 to now, the price has gone up by, input cost has gone up by 26%.
26% in financial year 2020.
Okay.
In 2024, 31% increase, sir.
The price has gone up by 31%. Okay.
And the demand after the COVID is also declining.
Okay, so at COVID time, post-COVID, there was a sudden spike for interest in all these cars. Now that has gone away, people are not buying luxury cars like before.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Orders, not only the Jaguar and Land Rover, Tata Motors overall orders, that also declining. So they are with the numbers, financial year 2024 Q1 result, that time 1,33,000 orders has been booked. But in the financial year 2025 Q1, 1,04,000 cars only booked. Nearly 30,000 car orders was not booking that cars. And the production constraints, sir, that we are mentioning that semiconductor shortage, because of the annual summer plant shutdown. Because of the floods happen in that
region.
Yes, sir. So they are expecting in Q2 and Q3 also it was declining. For the shortage, the price has been boosted, so no one will enter into the Jaguar and Land Rover, the price range. So because it was increasing, so they are mentioning it clearly. And then the domestic sales also dropped, sir. In our area, sales also dropped. So they are expecting in the festival season, it will be boosted up. But it was not happened.
So the festival season, the sales which are expected are also not happening.
Not happening, sir.
Okay.
Nearly 44,500 units only booked, sir, in the August. This results up to year-on-year increase of the sales. It was dropped. 3% dropped, sir. And the month-over-month sales percentage also dropped 1%, sir. So finally, the Tata Motors are giving the PV dealers, so passenger vehicle dealers, they are giving the discounts. So the discounts aim to boost up the sales, sir. That will offer profit margin also, but they are giving because of the discount they will buy the Tata
To
Motors.
boost sales, they're giving discount.
Though
it will cut down profits.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Discount up to 2.5 lakhs on the petrol, diesel, CNG and SUV cars. And for the normal popular models of the Tata Motors, they are giving 45,000 as a consumer benefits.
Okay, so you get a benefit also. Not only are you giving 2.5 lakh discount, then they're giving almost 50,000 rupees worth of benefits. Okay.
On the popular models.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then the last summary of the report is about the target price of 825 it will reach. The UBS is clearly mentioned. With this all reports.
So, the target prices, they're saying because of all this.
All this report.
Yes, all this is bad news.
All this
because
bad
it's
news.
all going to eat into the earnings of Tata Motors. So earnings per share is going to come down. Yeah.
So
Since the earning of the shares is going to, EPS is going to come down. To maintain the same PE ratio, at this time when this report came out, PE ratio must have been 12.
12,
Yeah.
11.
Yeah, 12, 11 it was. Let me see Tata Motors, where it was before it started falling. Let's look at the 52-week high. 52-week high was 1,179. So we'll take 1,100, right? So 1,100. And the EPS we said was price divided by earnings is, we were saying around 12.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
12.
So this divided by 12 will give you the earnings. So 91 rupees. right? So they're saying to keep the same P ratio, we'll have to bring this down to 825. So 825 divided by 12. So they're saying it's going to come down to 68.
EPS.
Yeah, so 91 minus 68, the difference is 23 rupees per share, divided by 91 times 100. They're saying the revenue is going to drop by 25%. Earnings is going to come down by almost 25%. So they're saying we should be targeting this price. Correct?
Yes, sir.
They must be astrologers.
Because they have the report, solid report, sir.
Dude, they have solid reports in the past.
Okay.
Going forward, nobody can predict.
That's
first argument for me is that. Second, this is all short term, right? During the pandemic, there was chip shortage. They said there were not enough PlayStations. If you remember, your generation are worried about this. Not enough PlayStations. PlayStation's prices in India in the black market spiked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, a 50,000 rupee Sony PlayStation was selling almost for 80,000 rupees, 90,000 rupees, and your Gen Z guys were buying it. Because you know why? PS5. Because they're like, sir, there's a shortage of chips. I cannot wait 1 year, sir. You may not have PS5 at all. So I have to buy almost double the cost. Now the chip shortage was gone away. Price has collapsed. Okay. Now it has come to 50,000 rupees. Now the latest thing is in Japan they're saying input cost has gone up, so it's going to go up in Japan. They've announced. So immediately everyone in PlayStation 5 dealers are saying, boss, you better buy this station now because in India chip shortage, because of that it's going to go back up.
Oh. So the exact scenario will be happening.
So they're trying to give FOMO. Okay. This is also the same thing happening here. Nothing has fundamentally changed. The factories which are there are still there. The workers which are there, it's still owned by Tata, right? Correct. They still own Jamshedpur. All the land they have in Pune and Bombay is still there.
And another point also, sir. In Ranipet, they are going to open plant 8,000 crore.
Correct. And they have clearly said they have a long-term approach. By 2030, they plan to sell so much more electric vehicles. They've tied up with partnership with a company in China to promote this. And they plan to make the entire fleet of Land Rovers and Jaguars into electric cars. So they have a vision, right? So if you're a long-term investor and you know the Tata brand and you believe in the Tata, this is an opportunity. Nothing
the same to point, sir. I'm also mentioning. As a long-term investor and a value investor.
Correct. Yes, but there's a problem here. There are people who like doing lump sum investing in your generation because they listen to Anand sir, my brother. Okay, they listen to him. Say Tata Motors, so good, everything beautiful, Tata, 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 Tata. And they're like, hey, if Anand is saying, sir is saying, Tata, Tata, everything is Tata, Tata. No worries.
No worries.
I got bonus 10 lakhs. Buy Tata Motors. Forget. I'll buy and forget. So take bonus. Hard 5-year bonus. Bought 10 lakhs worth of Tata Motors at 1,100, right? 11 lakhs sitting there. Baba, feeling very happy. Anand's a blessed long term. Yes, this is for son's education. 18 years, no problem. 1 month, tapak 11 lakhs has become 9 lakhs.
9 lakhs.
Baba, how long will this be at 9 lakhs? Will it come back to 11 lakhs? I don't want profit. I'll exit.
I will exit.
Yes, you just tell me when 11 lakhs will come. I'm feeling nervous.
And another nervous also comes, sir. It will come to 8 lakh. Yes. I can sell the profit.
No, exactly. Should I get out? Because the funny part is, this is the best part. The DVR shares are not even come into play as yet. People have been buying DVR from 900 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees they've been buying. So all those guys who are waiting for this conversion to happen to book their profit. So once that allots and that sale comes, fire sale comes, there's going to be more selling pressure on Tata Motors. 825, forget it. Might even go to, like you said, 700, 600 it might go to. So your 11 lakhs can suddenly become 6 lakhs and stay 6 lakhs for some time. And Anand says in videos, from 6 lakhs going back to 12 lakhs is not 50% growth, 50% loss. But growth has to be 100%. It has to double. You hear all those old videos and you're like, hi. Should I cut my loss now? So that's where the problem. The problem is not with Tata Motors. The problem is your investing style.
Correct.
Yes, we do not do lump sum.
We go in the way of different coffee range.
Exactly. So even if Tata Motors is corrected to 825, goes to 700, you should still be buying only different coffee range.
But the money we can afford to lose.
Correct. Yeah. So that way you don't feel the pain. Every day you're drinking 1 cup of coffee, right? One day you don't have money for that coffee and don't drink it, you don't feel bad.
Correct, sir.
That's how it should be. So if you keep putting lumps and small amounts like this over a period of time consistently, you'll be fine. All this news is garbage. He's a broker. Okay, he's got motivations to do this.
Correct, sir.
What is motivation? UBS's motivation is, I do not know.
Correct.
Okay. First of all, it's not his own money he's investing. Some people have left money with him. He's investing it, and he could be having his own motivations to do this in the news. And why should he? If some secret news and he knows this, then there's an opportunity. Why will he go tell publicly? So if you think about all this, There's his own reasons to doing what he's doing. Our reasons to investing in Tata Motors is we believe in the company, we see value in it, right? The price is correct. Then you buy in different coffee and you stay there. The problem with your generation is, I got a bonus today. I want to quickly put, Tata Motors is a good company. It's low value. Maruti Suzuki is at 28 PE. Tata Motors is only 12 PE. So it might go to 15, 16 PE. Market, everything is floating. Anand sir is saying everything will float. Everything will go up because so much money is coming in. Now Fed is going to cut interest rate. That means more FIIs will bring more money, cheap dollar. You think all this feedback will give yourself, all positive reinforcement you'll give and say, okay, Tapak, I'll go put 10,000 rupees in Tata Motors. Now it's gone. 1 month salary gone. You feel like that. That's why I say, slow it down. If you slow it down, you won't worry about all this.
Yes, sir.
All the comments come, all the fear comes because you're like, oh my God, if your 80 rupees has become 70 rupees, you don't care. But if 8,000 rupees has become 7,000 rupees, you.
Because of the capital increases, fear also increases.
Correct. The same guys will be talking differently the minute, let's say 2 months from now, some super order they secure, Tata Motors for some reason. Chandrasekhar has infused some $1 billion into Tata Motors for something, or the passenger division share split is going to happen, bring it forward to January itself. Immediately the share boosts to immediately the same guys will say, hey, hello. That time they will not sell.
No, sir.
Okay, because they're feeling bad. Now is the chance to exit because, like Anand says, if you don't have the stomach for it, if you have an exit opportunity, take it. But that time they won't learn. Then they know, long-term investors, we believe in Dana. Dana has told us. He's telling us, we believe in Dana. See, he told that day itself. Now it's come 1,200 rupees. That time the story will be different. This is human emotion. I understand. But wonderful research. I admire you for that. You have nicely taken apart and you have read the report nicely and you've understood it, digested it, and you've written it. For that, I give you 10 out of 10. But I'm sorry to say this is just trash. You can ignore it.
I'm going to put this in trash.
Correct. Right. So anyway, I hope this kind of gave you a bit of confidence for those of you who have heavily invested in Tata Motors with lump sums and are feeling a little nervous. Don't feel nervous. First of all, you have already joined the club now. So there's nothing you can do.
Correct.
If you need the money urgently, if you need to cut your losses, then think about it long and hard. If you have the capacity to hold on to your investment and you really are looking at it long term, don't worry about it. Look at these opportunities when the market does go into these corrections and dips. And corrections can come on individual shares. The rest of the market could be going through the roof while a couple of companies can have a correction. So when you see these opportunities, do look at them and take them into consideration if things are in value and all the boxes are ticking. Other than that, I have nothing more to other than say, don't worry. Worrying doesn't get anything other than losing you precious sleep and time. Anyway, do enjoy your Saturday. Those of you who do have long weekend, be responsible. Wherever you have gone for your long weekend, have a safe trip. And me and Dana will see you on Sunday morning as you're recovering from your revelries of tonight. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. And thanks for supporting Dana. Do catch him there on Instagram and ask him all the questions you do have. He will try and answer them. If he's not able to answer them, he'll bring them to me. I'll take them to Anand and he'll try and get you the answers which you want. Thanks for watching the podcast again and see you in the next one soon. Bye.
Thank you.